Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to another new lesson. Inshallah, in today's lesson we're going to be covering some of the best du'as, as it might be Laylatul Qadr. Ramadan is here and we're approaching the last few days. So we're going to cover some du'as you can read. There's du'as for seeking the love of Allah. Best du'a for forgiveness. We're going to cover the meaning behind it. We're also going to cover some of the du'as from the Quran in today's lesson, inshallah. This is going to be helping people make du'a in Ramadan, but also for the whole ummah and anybody that's sick due to COVID. You know, we want to make sure we seek Allah's forgiveness and also ask for whatever we need for the year to come, inshallah. Okay, so if you guys are new to this video, please go down below, press subscribe. What that means is whenever I release a new video, you guys will get an update. You can follow my videos through there. I am running Tajweed and Quran lessons on YouTube, so check the videos out on my channel, Mubin Isat. Press subscribe and you guys will get an update whenever I release new videos, inshallah. Okay, so without further ado, let's start from this dua, which you might be able to pray whenever. It's important to read du'as and asking for forgiveness is the main part and portion of a du'a. So this is how you can start off a du'a. You do Allahumma salli, you read Durud Sharif, and you can start off with this du'a first, okay? Now I'm going to read it out to you, and then we'll go through the meaning, inshallah, okay? أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم اللهم أنت ربي لا إله إلا أنت خلقتني وأنا عبدك وأنا على عهدك ووعدك ما استطعت أعوذ بك من شر ما صنعت أبوء لك بنعمتك علي وأبوء بذنبي فاغفر لي فإنه لا يغفر الذنوب إلا أنت. Okay, now if you guys don't know Arabic, this is the English sort of translation or English version of this, so you can follow it through here. Allahumma anta rabbi la ilaha illa anta khalaqtani wa ana ala abduka wa ana ala ahdika wa wa'dika mastata'tu a'udhu bika min sharri ma sana'tu abu'u laka bi ni'matika alayya وأبوء بذنبي فاغفر لي فإنه لا يغفر الذنوب إلا أنت. Okay, it has a beautiful meaning. O Allah, you are my Lord, none has the right to be worshipped except you. You created me, I am your servant, I abide to your covenant and promise as best as I can. I take refuge in you from the evil of which I committed. I acknowledge your favor upon me and acknowledge my sin, so forgive me, for verily none can forgive sin except you. A very good, important dua. You can start off Durud Sharif and you can read this dua, and then you can read some of these duas here. This Allahumma inni as'aluka hubbak wa hubba man yuhibbuk وعمل الذي يبلغني حبك اللهم اجعل حبك أحب إلي من نفسي وأهلي ومن ماء بارد. O Allah, I ask you for your love and the love of those who love you and love of the action which will make me reach your love. O Allah, make your love more beloved to me than myself, family and cold water. Again, another dua here, to increase the love, and another one here, okay? But what we're going to try and focus on here is some of the duas from the Holy Quran. I'm just going to read a few. These are all the duas from the Holy Quran. You can just start off after you read Durud Sharif. You can read the forgiveness duas, And then you can start off by reading some of the du'as from the Holy Quran, and then you can ask Allah for whatever you want from your dua. Yeah? So let's just go through some of them. ربنا تقبل منا إنك أنت السميع العليم. ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار. ربنا اغفر لي ربنا أفرغ علينا صبرا وثبت أقدامنا وانصرنا على القوم الكافرين. Yeah, you have the translation here. ربنا إننا سمعنا مناديا ينادي للإيمان أن آمنوا بربكم فآمنا. ربنا فاغفر لنا ذنوبنا وكفر عنا سيئاتنا وتوفنا مع الأبرار. Yeah. رب زدني علما. ربنا آمنا بما أنزلت واتبعنا الرسول فاكتبنا مع الشاهدين. ربنا إننا آمنا فاغفر لنا ذنوبنا وقنا عذاب النار. Yeah, so this is to save yourself from the punishment and to ask for forgiveness as well. ربنا أخرجنا من هذه القرية الظالم أهلها واجعل لنا من لدنك وليا واجعل لنا من لدنك نصيرا. It's asking for to protect people from oppression, so and asking Allah's forgiveness and protect from oppressive people. ربنا اغفر لنا ذنوبنا وأسرف ربنا اغفر لنا ذنوبنا وإسرافنا في أمرنا وثبت أقدامنا وانصرنا على القوم الكافرين. ربنا ما خلقت هذا باطلا سبحانك فقنا عذاب النار. ربنا لا تجعلنا مع القوم الظالمين. ربنا لا تؤاخذنا إن نسينا أو أخطأنا. ربنا ولا تحمل علينا إصرا كما حملته على الذين من قبلنا. ربنا ولا تحملنا ما لا طاقة لنا به واعف عنا واغفر لنا وارحمنا أنت مولانا فانصرنا على القوم الكافرين. And this is quite a big, very important dua as well. ربنا ظلمنا أنفسنا وإن لم تغفر لنا وترحمنا لنكونن من الخاسرين. ربنا افتح بيننا وبين قومنا بالحق وأنت خير الفاتحين. ربنا آتنا من لدنك رحمة وهيئ لنا من أمرنا رشدا. It's asking for guidance from Allah. ربنا لا تزغ قلوبنا بعد إذ هديتنا وهب لنا من لدنك رحمة إنك أنت الوهاب. Asking for guidance and asking for Allah's mercy. رب اجعلني مقيم الصلاة ومن ذريتي ربنا وتقبل دعاء. Asking for guidance and asking Allah to make you establishing your prayer. ربنا اغفر لي ولوالدي وللمؤمنين يوم يقوم الحساب. Asking forgiveness for yourself and your parents. ربنا اصرف عنا عذاب جهنم إن عذابها كان غراما. Asking for protection from the punishment of the hellfire. Yeah, so I would say this is all the du'as from the Holy Quran. Yeah, so what you can do is, just to quickly recap, when you make dua, as it might be Laylatul Qadr, Ramadan as it is, and also it was Jummah, and it was best time before breaking your fast as well, just before, if you wake up for tahajjud as well. So you start off with Durood Sharif. You can read forgiveness du'as. Also, there's another forgiveness dua, Allahumma innaka afuwun tuhibbul afwa fa'fu anni. Yeah, and then you can move on to some of these du'as over here, seeking the love of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And then you can move on to all the Rabbanas from the whole Quran, and they have is directly from the Quran. Yeah, asking Allah for protection from the hellfire, seeking forgiveness, asking forgiveness from the oppression. all the du'as that you can think of in the Quran, they're all in here that we've just read out. And then what you do is you can make dua in your own language and ask for what you want, inshallah. May Allah accept all our du'as, protect the whole ummah, and remember me and my family in your du'as as well. And especially all the people around the world that are suffering due to COVID, but also the oppressed people in the world in terms of the Muslim ummah. Okay? Don't forget to also give zakat and sadaqat, and inshallah all your du'as will get accepted. That's it. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and may Allah accept all our du'as and make it a fruitful Ramadan for everyone. Assalamu alaikum. Take care.